So the first one's Surya, 7:15.
Hang on. Don't jump to the thing. First, let us start what we are doing now. Okay. These are the today's ephemeris of all planets.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is written as a sun is 7 Rashi and past 18 degrees, 10 minutes and 19 seconds. These are angular measurements, not minute and second of the time. Okay, either you say 18 ans, 10 kala, 19 vikala. Right? So 7 number is for Tula. So it has passed, has finished and is now in the Vrishchik. So after finishing 7, it has entered in Vrishchik and 18 degree, 10 and 19 is the position. So where it will be? Somewhere Tula, Vrishchik, 15, 16, 17, 18, somewhere there. So we say next month it is being done in January. Will it? Next month now? No. January. It will be there. Around 14 it will enter there. That is our Makar Sankranti. Barabar? 14, 15.
How do you get 14, 15?
That will, when it will come, I will tell you on what's happened on Sankranti. Okay? Right. Now, all these are the ephemeris. Now we have to decide where the moon and Mangal are plotted in there.
What's the word for moon?
So it says 9.
How about the Sanskrit word?
Moon is Chandra.
Chandra, that's right.
Okay, so according to India time, we plot the horoscope over here. When we plot the horoscope, first thing is, when it's a Rashi Kundali, it means the names are given on Rashi, so where the moon is, in comes there. Firstly, Chandra. We don't write actually the numbers of the angles in there. We plot another table over there and they put all in ephemeris in the table. We just put the place here. So this is moon in which number? Number 8. 7 has passed and now it's the 8th. So now we can say it's a 9, it's 10, it's 11, it's 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7.
Sorry, how did you get that 8 there?
Because it says so.
That's 7.
7 passed.
Yeah.
And this is 8. That's why I say this is Tula, this is Vrishchik.
Where is 8?
Because
There's
7 always
18,
passed.
10, 19.
Yeah,
Oh, I
these
see.
are passed.
So 7 plus 8 equals 15.
Now, 7th Rashi, 7th constellation has completed. Now is 8th constellation is entering in the 8th constellation. It's called Vrishchik. Its degrees are 18, 10 and 19. Barabar?
And what's the 7?
7 is Tula, it's there.
No, meaning the other one is degrees. What's this one? It's degrees, minute, second. What's this one?
Degree, minute and second.
And the first one, 7?
7 is a Rashi, it's a constellation.
It doesn't have any, okay.
Okay? Now you plot all these in this horoscope. You have to do yourself. All is there. So make sure you put in the right box. કેમ ખબર ન પડી? આ મેં મૂક્યું, આ 8 નંબર કીધો. શું કરવા? This is 7 completed and that's 8th one. So when we put the Rashi Kundali, we put the where the Chandra is. Chandra is in 9th. Sorry. So Chandra we have to put plot there. Moon. Chandra. And that's the 9th one. So we have to change the numbers.
Will that not be 10? Because 9 is complete and the other one is.
Yeah. Yes, sure. 10. Good. Okay, nice. Good. હવે મૂકો. એમાં ભરો. ભરત ભરો. આપણે ભરત રમીએ ને? શું છે? હા, ઓકે. હવે આ બધા આંકડા મૂકો અંદર.
So 10, 11, 12, then how do you get 9, 5, 7? How do you work all those out?
Okay, you got another 9 there. You got 2 more 9s.
Yeah, so everybody with the 9 will go into the same one, isn't it? Remember? Right?
And Surya.
Both and Surya will go there. Sorry. Where is the other 9?
Sunny and Surya.
Sunny. No, Shukra.
Yeah, Shukra will go in the same box with Moon.
Yeah. Shukra. So start putting all this on, prepare the chart.
Okay, how do we know which box to start from? Is it always the first?
Always start with the moon. Moon comes there.
Okay.
મૂકો. પછી જ આગળ વધાશે. તમે કરી લેશો પછી એનું કહીશ કે હવે લંડનના ટાઈમ પ્રમાણે ફેરવું. તમારે કુંડળી કેમ બનાવીને કેમ વાંચવી એ કરવું હોય ને. Unless you plot it. કુંડાળામાં મૂકવાનું.
Here, can you do me a favor? Can you just read those down that way? So Surya, Chandra,
Sun, Moon, Mars.
how do you say it in Sanskrit?
I'll do it. That's called Mercury. That's Jupiter. That's Saturn. That's Venus. That's it hasn't got the name Rahu and Ketu. Name will be the same in Sanskrit. This is called Surya. That's called Chandra. That's called Mangal.
1 second, Manga.
You haven't prepared at home at all.
The next one,
Budh,
Bud.
Guru. That's a Sunny and Shukra. Actually, should have written the other way around, so it's in line. Doesn't matter. Okay, are you okay? Ready?
I still didn't understand it. How did you get that?
Okay. Chandra se kya jese? 9 plus 1. 10. બરાબર?
Why 9 plus 1?
મેં આટલી વાર રામાયણ કરી લીધી
I
કે
know,
આ
okay.
પેલો આંકડો છે એ રાશિનો છે એટલી રાશિ પૂરી થઈ ગઈ એના પછીની રાશિમાં આટલા અંશ ક્યુ છે
એટલે 3 નંબર છે એક સાથે થશે એમ 1 આવે એટલે 1 ગણાય
હા આ 10th રાશિ છે
એટલે
આ 7 ને આ 8th રાશિ છે depends
So all those 3 numbers is
Become-
next Rashi.
yeah
Okay, that makes sense now.
That becomes 1, yeah. So
it
it's
depends
7
કે આ બુકવાળા છે એ કેમ આપ્યું છે
Acha.
ઘણીવાર બુકવાળા છે એ આ કે અહીંયા સીધું નામ જ લખી દે એ એમ કે છે રાશિ આટલી થઈ છે એમ ન કે આંકડા ના આપે સીધું એમ કે વૃશ્ચિકમાં છે અને આટલો આપણે એ ડેટા વાંચવાના છે એને શું લખ્યું છે we have to follow that.
Okay, so Chandra, Surya.
સૂર્ય 8માં વૃશ્ચિકમાં અહીંયા સૂર્ય છે બરાબર બુધ 9માં અહીંયા બુધ છે લખવા માંડજો તમે તમારી રીતે નહીં કરો તો નહીં થાય ગુરુ 6ઠામાં છે અહીંયા ગુરુ. પછી શનિ 8મામાં છે. 8મામાં શનિ. શનિ અને સૂર્ય ભેગા છે એટલે ઘણા જ્યોતિષીઓ બધા એનું પ્રેડિક્શન સ્ટાર્ટ કરે કે આ બે છે ભેગા હવે કેનું કેવું આપશે. કારણ કે સૂર્યને અને શનિને ન બને બાપ દીકરાને. હા, શનિ છે એના બીજી પત્ની છાયા હતી, એનો દીકરો હતો. અને આગળની પત્ની છે સંધ્યા, એના જમને યમી એટલે યમુના, એ બે છે. શનિ આવી ગયો. હવે પછી રાહુ ને કેતુ આ 10મામાં છે. શુક્ર 10મામાં શુક્ર ક્યાં છે? મુકાઈ ગયો છે. રાહુ 5માં, 4 થઈને 5મામાં, અને આ 10 થઈને 11મામાં.
After Venus. What are the two after Venus?
અને opposite કેતુ.
What are the two after Venus? Ruby.
રાહુ કેતુ. Generally, when we prepare a Rashi horoscope, Rashi Kundali, we put the first box with the moon, because Rashi means zodiac is started by moon. So first place is moon, and then plot rest of it. This is how the Rashi Kundali is.
Sorry, Rashi કે આપણે સૂર્ય ઉપરથી આપણે કર્યું.
જે ખાલી ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન હતું. હવે જ્યારે પ્લોટિંગ આપણે કુંડળી બનાવીએ છીએ ત્યારે હવે કેમ પ્લોટ કરવી, રાઈટ? સો વી સ્ટાર્ટ પ્લોટિંગ ઇટ. હવે આ ટાઈમને આપણે લંડન ટાઈમમાં ફેરવીએ તો શું ફરક પડશે? બરાબર? જગ્યા બદલાઈ ગઈ. 5.5 કલાકનો ફરક છે. તો 5.5 કલાકમાં આ દરેક પ્લેનેટ, each planet, how much they move in 5.5 hours. That's we have to calculate and place there. So whatever we did last time, remember that. How much it moves in an hour, how much it moves in a day, we have to calculate. And if you notice this one, we have divided one Rashi in Savape Nakshatra, 2.85 Nakshatra. We said moon moves one day, one Nakshatra, another day, another Nakshatra. Right? And 2.25 days for one Rashi. Again, this Nakshatra is divided in 4 parts. It's called Pelu Charan, Biju Charan, Triju Charan, Chothu Charan. Charan ne lek ke wo ke nahi, we can't translate it. Okay? So everything is divided in 4 parts. So ultimately, how many parts we got? 27 nakshatra multiplied by 4, 108 divisions. So previously in last lecture we did just superficial. Now it's divided fraction in parts. So each calculation comes with a small fractions. And more accuracy is required, more we have to calculate.
So each of those are divided in 4.
4.
And you get
127 times 4 is 108.
Why 27?
Because we said 27 nakshatra, 27 queens of moon.
Phases.
Yeah, phases, not phases. It's called nakshatra. Phases is different.
Phases.
Because moon has 14, 15 phases. And the full moon, 16 phases. It's called 16 kala, sol kala. 16 kala એ ચંદ્ર ખીર્યો છે એમ કઈ ને. હા બોલો.
Number 2 is Vrishab, ne?
હા વૃષભ.
Yeah, number 8.
8.
Upar.
વૃશ્ચિક.
Vrishchik.
હા વૃશ્ચિક.
Vrishchik. Okay.
So the heavens are like a big clock.
It is. Every minute is counted.
Mangal ML શું હે મંગળ?
હા મંગળ.
ML
હે?
sun moon પછી ML
Mars.
તો Mars.
તમને ઇંગ્લિશ નામ ના આવડતા હોય તો ખાલી ઇન્ડિકેશન.
હા Mars, Mercury, Jupiter. પછી Saturn.
લખો તો ભલે.
15 us. Okay.
It's really personal here.
Sorry?
It's really personal here.
Okay. Have you finished this one?
Nah.
No, no.
Then first finish it.
I
Plot it.
want to get the numbers
Yeah.
that you got there.
That's why I marked this one red. So all these are finished. Next one 7, after that is 8, 9 after 10. 9, 10, 8, 9, 5, 6. So 6 number is Kanya, so it goes there. So
Sure.
whole zodiac is presented here in a box. मन को खबर पड़ी नंबर लख्या है ये नंबर लख्या है कंपैरिजन कर लो बराबर ने आकाश ना छे અને આ આપણી ચોપડી ના છે.
What's the number between 7 and 9 on the right in that first box at the top?
Which one?
Under Bombay, you've got 9 and 8 there. Yes, there, where your fingers, just to the left. You've got the box with 9 in it, and then the box with 7.
Yeah.
What's that? Where your pen is now.
This one?
That one, yeah.
That's a 7, it's Tula.
Yeah. And
We don't write the names here.
yeah, but no, but what's that now? There.
Surya,
What's that box?
8.
That's 8.
Yeah, Mystic.
Yeah.
If you can't read it, that's why I put the numbers.
Yeah.
Don't get confused. Box मोटा कर लो.
I see, sort of like that.
આને આપણે શું કીધી રાશિ કુંડલી, સાદી કુંડલી. હવે લંડનની કુંડલી કોણ બનાવશે? કોને ગણતરી આવડે બરોબર? 5.5 કલાક. બરોબર? લેટ્સ ટ્રાય. સૂર્ય 5.5 કલાકમાં કેટલો ખસે? દરરોજનો 1 અંશ ખસે. બરોબર? 5.5 થી 6 કલાકમાં એ 5 અંશ ખસે. એટલે રાશિ પાસે કાંઈ નહીં બદલાય. પણ if it is really in margin, say 29 something, right? Then it makes difference. So we have to look where it is, whether it's on margin or in middle. So hardly it will make difference for London. So it just makes quarter degree difference, right? So we can plot. Oh, okay, still it's in the same place as it is, right? બરાબર? સો આપણે સૂર્યને ક્યાં મૂકશું? સેમ પ્લેસમાં અને પ્લસ પા ડિગ્રી ડિગ્રીમાંથી એ ટપકું કરી દઉં. બરાબર ને? So it doesn't make any difference in horoscope at the moment. Let's say Chandra, how much it moves every day? If you remember, 13 degree, right?
13 degrees each
Yeah.
day.
Yeah. So every hour half degree. So in 5.5 hours is nearly 2.75 degrees. Maximum 3 degrees. So we can put a 3 degrees plus here.
11 degrees, no?
Hang on. 3 degrees plus. So
Every hour it moves 30
half a
degrees.
degree.
Oh, half a degree, yeah. So 5.5 will be 2.75.
Yeah, so instead of 9.14, it will be 9.17. But the Rashi won't change. So it will remain in the same one, Chandra. Manga, is more slower than the Earth. Right? It won't move nearly 0.1 degree. Doesn't make any difference. So Mangal will be the same. Mangal. Same for Shukra. Shukra. Ketu won't change anything because it takes 2.5 years for one Rashi, 30 degrees. Long time. So Ketu and Rahu won't change anything. Guru, it takes 1 year for one Rashi, won't change anything. So only thing changes is either Chandra, which we have to mark. Okay, how much it moves, whether it's marginal or not, whether it's shift from one place to another place or not. That's the calculation we have to take in mind. Otherwise, this Kundali and this Kundali won't make any difference.
Yeah.
Not here in Rashi Kundali, okay?
They all move in relation to each other.
Yeah. Now we come to the another. What the difference it makes? मेरा डेट नोट थी क्या?
Not the new numbers.
It is same to same. Just I said how much is the difference for Surya, quarter degree, and for Chandra, degree. That's it. Nothing else. So copy that one, same to same. Indicate that's only plus 0.5, 25 degree, and say Surya is 0.25 and Chandra is plus 3. Right? That's it. Nothing will change. But when we make a Lagnam Kundali, that makes the more difference because it's more accurate. It comes every minute. So what is Lagnam? If anybody remembers. આપણે કીધું કે પૃથ્વી અહીંયા વચ્ચે હોય તો આ એની ઈસ્ટર્ન હોરાઇઝન છે, બરાબર ને? યાદ છે? મૂકવાનું ને આ ઈસ્ટર્ન હોરાઇઝન છે, અહીંયા સૂર્ય ઉગે છે.
હા.
આ પૂર્વ છે. રાઈટ? આ પૂર્વ છે, આ પશ્ચિમ છે, ઉત્તર ન હોય આમાં. ધ્યાન રાખજો. ઉપરથી પસાર થાય છે ગ્રહો. એટલે આને કહેવાય માથા ઉપર, એને કહેવાય શું કહેવાય ખબર છે? ટ્રાન્ઝિટ.
So when they have the rising of the solstice,
It rises there, sets there, when it comes overhead, it's called transit.
called what?
Transit.
Trumpet.
Transit. એક પ્લેનમાંથી બીજા પ્લેનમાં જવાની જે ટ્રાન્ઝિટ હોય ને આ ટ્રાન્ઝિટ છે.
Yeah, okay.
ઓકે? એને અહીંયા આપણે ઉત્તર કહ્યું છે. પછી આ સવાર છે, આ બપોર છે,
Morning, afternoon.
આ નૂન છે, આ ઇવનિંગ છે અને આ મિડનાઇટ છે. આ તમને ગઈ વખતે કરાવ્યું હતું. You have to remember that one. And what's the Lagna suggests? Lagna suggests what is on the horizon.
Yeah.
What is rising on the horizon? રામનો જન્મ થતો તો ત્યારે એમ કહ્યું છે કે પુષ્ય નક્ષત્ર ઉગતું હતું. બરાબર? એ એનું લગ્ન છે. ઉગતું હતું means on the horizon.
So when they have the solstice, that's when they have that Lagna.
Sorry?
The solstice is when the rising of the sun.
Yeah, it's eastern horizon.
Yeah, in those Gloucestershire where they have the big stones.
Yeah?
At the solstice, the rising of the sun, they will go and worship.
Okay, હવે
And it's a push trigger, evening.
કેને?
Evening is a girl.
પશ્ચિમ.
Pashchim.
Yeah.
Isn't that the
પશ્ચિમ
Lagna?
means west. આમ કર દો લ્યો ને આને. બરાબર ને? આ east અને આ west.
Yeah.
Pashchim.
When they have the rising of the sun, at that solstice, that it's a big occasion.
Everybody. everybody, what's
Well,
rising sun?
That will be the Lagna, won't it?
Yeah, Lagna, but Lagna it is indicated in this horoscope, marking the place. What is the location of the earth at that time, what's happening on the horizon.
Yeah, well, that's exactly what the solstice would be.
Right?
They would be
Maybe.
celebrating, yeah.
Okay, now we have to look again in there. Okay, what is the Lagna is rising at in the morning? તમને પૂરું કરી લો એટલે લગ્ન કુંડળી કરાવો ફિનિશ થાય એટલે મને કહો.
Would that give you all the different towns in the major towns in the world?
It does. It counts every minute, so
Yeah, but in every major town in the world. So
Yeah.
we could do a sort of reticulation network
that
for each.
calculates all longitudes and the timing,
Yeah,
and according to degree, we calculate the timing
yeah,
4 minutes per each degree,
yeah.
like that. આમાં લગ્ન સાંજનું લગ્ન બતાવ્યું છે છઠ્ઠી રાશિનું એટલે અહીંનું આ સાંજનું લગ્ન બતાવ્યું છે એટલે sixth number is a લગ્ન rising over here. એ લગ્ન આપ્યું હોય ટેબલમાંથી જોઈને આપણે નક્કી કરવું પડે. Otherwise we have to calculate. So most of the Jyotishes, astrologers don't know how to calculate.
Yeah.
They forgot it. So they just look at the table. And they come, okay, we don't know how to calculate. So can you teach us now? So it's the most difficult part of mathematics. Even Jyotishi don't know, so just forget it. Okay. So now if you put this one, sixth one,
Why sixth one? Sorry, because you said sixth is it's Kanya Rasi.
મંજુ તે સાંભળ્યું મેં શું કીધું કે આમાંથી જોઈને કરવું પડે કે
Oh, okay.
લગ્ન કયું રાઈસ થાય. જેમ કે આપણે કૃષ્ણનો જન્મ થયો ત્યારે એમ કહ્યું હતું રોહિણી નક્ષત્ર ઉગતું હતું મીન્સ ઉગતું હતું મીન્સ ઇટ્સ ઓન હોરાઇઝન.
It was on
So that was લગ્ન.
Okay.
તો કૃષ્ણની જે કુંડળી તમે જોશો ત્યારે
Yeah.
લગ્ન રોહિણી કુંડળીમાં અહીં રોહિણીનું નક્ષત્ર છે એ બીજી રાશિમાં આવે એટલે બીજી રાશિ લગ્નમાં મૂકી છે. બરાબર ને? ઈચ વર્ડ છે એનો મીનિંગ છે એટલે તમારે બરોબર ધ્યાનથી સાંભળવાનું.
Yeah, why have you got 9 Venus is 9, 01 and 42?
Yeah, that's the Rashi, and degrees is 1 degree and 42 minutes. I said all these are Rashis marked with red. These are degrees, these are minutes, these are
What are
seconds.
Rasis?
Rashis means constellation.
Oh, yeah.
These are the Rashis. Any doubt now?
And these are hours and minutes. It's
Okay, so we assume that this is rising in India at the moment.
Yeah.
So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the horoscope called Lagnam Kundali.
Yeah.
Only difference is we have to find the Lagna.
what
Means
is
what is rising on the horizon. Either we take data from book, from internet, or we calculate. Okay, now
what was it? Lagna, what's under it?
Kundali.
Yeah.
Kundali means horoscope.
Yeah, bless you.
Okay, so now you can put all the data which is there. So everything will be replaced. It will come with Guru. Right? 6 Guru.
Yeah.
So you have to plot according in the right place. આમાંથી જુઓ આ 10 નંબરમાં ચંદ્ર છે તો એ 10 નંબરમાં એ મૂકો ચંદ્ર મંગળ અને શુક્ર બરાબર ને 11માં કેતુ છે આ કેતુ 12માં પહેલામાં બીજામાં ત્રીજામાં કાંઈ નથી 5માં છે રાહુ આ રાહુ 6માં ગુરુ મૂક્યો આપણે 8માં શનિ and Surya.
So they all remain related to each other.
Yeah, it will remain the same. They won't change any places.
Yeah.
Only we are shifting the houses, twisting it,
Yeah.
rotating it.
Yeah.
So we're starting with 6, right? From there.
Yeah, from there.
But doesn't it always start from Chandra? The top.
For Rashi Kundali,
Yes.
always count with the Chandra.
Okay.
For Lagnam Kundali, always count with the Lagnam.
So the Lagna could be any number, different number every time?
Yeah, that's what I'm coming to. When you finish this one,
Yeah, but they all remain related to each other in the same way, wherever
Yeah.
they are in the sky.
yeah, they won't change any places. Only thing, we rotate this
This is the map in each
Yeah.
section.
and how it rotates.
If you look at the times, they give the chart every so often.
So how it rotates? We rotate 360 degrees in 24 hours. Each hour equals 15 minutes. Each degree equal to 4 minutes. So every minute is quarter degree. So Lagna will change every minute quarter degree. So while we are talking, it will change 1 or 2 degrees. Right? So that is how the Lagna is changing. While we talk about 5-6 minutes, it has changed.
Yeah, of course.
That's it. So accordingly, all predictions are done by this one.
So when you do send a plane from A to B, you've got to go through these
Yeah,
charts.
that's right. Yeah. Even if you change the place, even if you change the time, every minute is counted here.
Yeah.
And that's why it's more accurate than anything. And all predictions are predicted on this type of Lagnam Kundali, not on this type.
So if a plane goes from
This is for a guide. First you prepare the Rashi Kundali and then prepare the Lagnam Kundali and start predicting afterwards. Still another third type of Kundali is called Navmas Kundali. We are not going to do that because we are not predicting. We are just preparing how to prepare the horoscope and how to read horoscope.
I mean, here, if you go from a plane from London to Delhi,
Yeah.
for example, you'd have to use this
Yeah, exactly.
to know what time it's going to arrive.
Yeah,
In
okay. Have you prepared all these two?
India. Yeah, I think so. But you're also saying it relates to all the different planets and everything in the sky.
When you prepare this one, I come to make it according to London time, our Lagnam Kundali. So here we won't see any difference, but here we'll see the lot of difference.
Because this moves with accurate time and there's a difference of 5.5 hours.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, I think we just got the wrong.
Isn't there going to be Sukha in number 8? Chandra, Sun in the Sukha.
8, number 8. Surya and Sunny. Surya and Sunny.
Oh, okay.
Shukra is there
Yes, yes.
in number 10. So it's there.
Sutra.
At the moment, what you have to do, once Lagna is decided, just copy all data and send boxes.
Yeah.
That's you have to do.
Ketu is 10. Ketu is 11.
Yeah, 10 plus 13 degrees, so it's 11, yes. All done? Premji,
Rahu.
alright, sir? Okay, has a confusion, sir?
એટલે કોમ્પ્લીટ આમ લાગેલું.
So that's why I'm saying write it. If you don't put it on the graph, you won't know what's happening. So always plot a graph first.
So is Earth in 6 there?
No, Earth is in the center.
Earth's in the centre.
In the center, this is the eastern horizon.
Yeah.
This is the eastern horizon. So when we come to London, what is in our eastern horizon, it will be there. Always confusion થાય ને તો શું કરવાનું ખબર છે? આ બે ભાગ કરવાના, અહીંયા બે કુંડલી ને અહીંયા બે કુંડલી. આ દેશની ને આ લંડનની.
Too late now.
આ તમને એટલે જ મેં પેલો બારો ગ્રાફ તૈયાર કરાવ્યો, જો કેમ કરાવ્યો.
એ તો કર્યો.
એ તો
Too small.
હા, સ્મોલ કોણ છે.
Small, yeah.
આપણે બોર્ડ સ્મોલ થાય, આપણે ખપે બોર્ડ આવડો આજે.
But it's amazing, it's just so simple.
It is simple. The only thing is we have to calculate simple mathematics. That's it. And understand the planet's movements. That's it. Nothing else. And nowadays nobody is doing that because nobody knows it.
Well, this is why that Brian Cox is being so successful.
Yeah.
Did you get that name, Dubai? Brian Cox has won the Guinness Book of Records because everybody's going to his
So
lecture.
we start London time.
Brian Cox.
So
Everybody's
London
going to his
time
lecture.
is plus
So he's
5
won the Guinness Book
and
of
30.
The number of people attending his lectures on this.
Barabar?
I say Hirchi should be doing it.
So now everything will change. આ લગ્ન 6 છે જે ઇન્ડિયાની હોરાઇઝન ઉપર છે, is not now on the London's horizon. Right? લંડનની હોરાઇઝન ઉપર શું હશે? We have to go back 5.5 hours. So how many? 2 hours is equal to 1 Rashi. બરાબર? 4 hours is equal to 2 Rashis. And 30 minutes because half Rashi. That's it? Yeah?
What's Rashi?
Rashi constellation.
Of course.
આપણે 24 કલાકમાં 12 રાશિનો ચક્કર પૂરો કરી લઈ તો દર 2 કલાકની એક રાશિ થાય એ આપણે આગલા લેક્ચરમાં કરીશું. તો આ 18 રાશિઓ